Hello everyone, my name is Mr. B. I have been RCs forever seems like and enjoy all about it too. But today I'm here to maybe help you understand on how. Hope this helps. Hi Chris, nice to see you today. What's up?
Not much. Just have a time with binding my DX8 transmitter.
Hum. You know I had the same thing happen to me years ago. It's not hard and after you do it once it's easy after that.
Great. I'm so glad you can help.
Before you bind is make sure your RC is safe to turn on. In the USA throttle is in the lowest possible setting before starting, on the left gimbal of your transmitter.
That's to make sure that you don't get a finger in the way or maybe turn on violently, right?
That's right. Okay, here is all you do and it's very easy. 1. Plug your battery into the plane and find your bind button on the DX8 round black button and hold it down. Check one more time for that left gimbal on the transmitter, black button on transmitter down and turn on the transmitter. Be within a few feet on the receiver. Keep the button pushed down while the transmitter makes its sound and make sure the transmitter confirmed that it did bind. And that's it. You're all done and ready to go fly.
Well, that's easy. I tried everything I thought. Thanks, Mr. B. You got me over 100 on closer to flight.